If you've recently undergone security checks with Bank of America and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to regain your access smoothly. Step 1. Gather required information. Before contacting Bank of America, collect all necessary information such as your account number, social security number, and any recent transaction details. This will help verify your identity during the process. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website or your account statement. Explain your situation and that you need assistance in restoring full access to your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generated and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow instructions. Once your identity is verified, follow the instructions given by the customer service representative. They may guide you through steps to reset your online banking credentials or provide additional security measures. Step 5. Test your access. After completing the necessary steps, log into your Bank of America account to ensure that you have full access to restore. If issues persist, contact customer service again for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Bank of America account after security checks. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for help.